Do you ever freeze when someone asks you a simple question in English? Let's fix that right now. We're going to practice 100 of the most common, useful English phrases you'll actually use. We'll start with the basics. How is your day going?
My day is going well, thanks.
What should I call you?
You can call me David.
What is your age?
I am 30 years old.
What is your home country?
My home country is Canada.
What kind of work do you do?
I work as an engineer.
What is your relationship status?
I am not married.
What city is your home?
My home is in Toronto.
Are you feeling good today?
Yes, I feel great.
Would you say you are a tall person?
No, I am average height.
Do you need some rest?
I could use a break.
Do you want to get some food?
No, I just ate.
Is your schedule full today?
Yes, my day is packed.
How can I contact you by email?
My email is david@mail.com.
Is English a language you know?
Yes, I know it well.
Which languages can you use?
I can use English and French.
Do you possess a passport?
Yes, I have one.
What is your home nation?
I am Canadian.
Are you currently at your house?
Yes, I am home right now.
Can you tell me what day it is?
It is Tuesday today.
Can you describe the weather?
The weather is rainy.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a sister.
What is your dad's name?
His name is Robert.
What is your mom's profession?
She works as a doctor.
Do your family members live with you?
Yes, we share a home.
Are your grandparents still living?
Yes, I have one grandfather.
How often do you see your family?
I see them each month.
Do you care for your family?
Yes, I care deeply.
Are your mother and father good people?
Yes, they are wonderful.
Do you have a wide circle of friends?
Yes, I have several.
Who was the friend you trust most?
My closest friend is Mark.
Where is that friend located?
He lives close to me.
Do you spend time with friends outside?
Yes, we meet on Fridays.
Do you talk to friends on the phone daily?
Not daily, but frequently.
Can your friends converse in English?
A few of them can.
Do you enjoy making new acquaintances?
Yes, I find it exciting.
Is your family large in size?
Yes, it is quite big.
Do you assist your mother and father?
Yes, I help them often.
Are your brothers or sisters in school?
Yes, they are students.
Do you have any extended family like cousins?
Yes, I have several cousins.
Does family mean a lot to you?
Yes, they mean everything.
What is your usual morning routine?
I wash up and get dressed.
What is a typical breakfast for you?
I usually have cereal.
Do you enjoy a morning coffee?
Yes, I drink it daily.
What is your commute method?
I travel by subway.
When does your workday begin?
It begins at 8:30.
When does your workday end?
It ends at 5:30.
Do you have your midday meal at home?
No, I eat at the office.
How do you spend your evenings?
I unwind and read a book.
Do you make your own evening meal?
Yes, I cook for myself.
Do you wash up before going to sleep?
Yes, I shower at night.
What is your usual bedtime?
I go to sleep at 11.
Do you do household chores?
Yes, I tidy up on Sundays.
When do you wake up on your days off?
I wake up at 9.
Do you have job duties on Saturday?
No, I have those days free.
Do you exercise at a gym?
Yes, I go 3 times weekly.
How do you usually spend your Sunday?
I rest and call my family.
Do you ever go to the stores?
Yes, I go shopping on Friday.
Do you look at your phone first thing?
Yes, I check it immediately.
Do you enjoy listening to songs?
Yes, I listen most days.
Would you say you are in good health?
Yes, I am fit.
Are you feeling unwell at the moment?
No, I feel perfectly fine.
Do you ever see a physician?
Yes, when I am ill.
Do you ever need to take pills?
Yes, if it is necessary.
Do you get enough rest at night?
Yes, I sleep 7 hours.
Do you live in a town or the countryside?
I live in a town.
Is this town a large one?
Yes, it is very large.
What location do you like best?
I enjoy the public gardens.
Do you ever go to a book place?
Yes, I go occasionally.
Do you need to visit a money place?
Yes, to get cash.
How do you travel to your job?
I take the subway.
Do you own a personal vehicle?
No, I do not.
Do you travel to work on foot?
Yes, sometimes I walk.
Do you ever use the railway?
No, not very much.
Is the subway system quick?
No, it is often delayed.
Are you able to swim in water?
Yes, I can swim.
Can you operate a bicycle?
No, I never learned.
Can you hold a conversation in English?
Yes, I can manage.
Are you skilled in the kitchen?
Yes, I am a decent cook.
Do you have an interest in creatures?
Yes, I like them.
Do you find pleasure in novels?
Yes, I enjoy them.
Do you prefer colder temperatures?
No, I like warm weather.
Do you have a positive view of school?
Yes, I like learning.
Do you find your work satisfying?
Yes, I enjoy my career.
What type of home do you have?
I live in a condo.
How many areas does your home have?
It has 3 areas.
Is your living space large or compact?
It is rather compact.
Do you have a place for cooking?
Yes, I have a kitchen.
Do you have an outdoor space?
No, I do not.
Do you keep your personal space clean?
Yes, I clean it regularly.
Do you watch programs at home?
Yes, I watch them at night.
Do you dine with your family?
Yes, we dine as a group.
Do you have an animal companion?
Yes, I have a dog.
Are you content with your home?
Yes, I am very content.
Do you use a mobile device frequently?
Yes, I use it constantly.
Do you go to bed at a reasonable hour?
Yes, I go to bed early.
Is the temperature low today?
Yes, it is quite chilly.
Do you find snow appealing?
Yes, I think it is pretty.
Which time of year is your favorite?
My favorite is the autumn.
The right words can turn a stranger into a friend. And that's it, 100 phrases to make you more confident. If this was helpful, please give it a like and follow Winds of Thought for more. Practice these daily and watch your confidence grow.